Hi, do you have so many water bottles around your room? Too lazy to go and recycle them? Well, no worries, because we will show you on how to turn those bottles into everyday useful items. Let's check it out.
First off, we're going to show you on how to turn an ordinary plastic bottle into a shower head with just a few easy steps. These are the ingredients that you'll need: a small plastic bottle, a tape, a marker, and also a pen. First of all, what you need to do is use the marker and then draw a big oval on the bottom of the bottle. After that, use the pen and then just pinch little small holes in the area of the oval that you've drawn on the bottom of the bottle. After you've done pinching the small holes, use the tape to cover up the cap on the bottle, on the tip of the bottle. But wait, don't cover it all up. Before you cover it all up, make sure you insert the pipe in the bottle, and then you cover it all up. Make sure you use the tape to tighten the pipe and the bottle. Do not loosen them up. We need them as a team in order for us to complete this experiment.
Our second item is a little bit hard to make. In order to make this one, what you'll need is a 2-liter water bottle, a cutter, a super glue, bottle caps, and last but not least, the tip of the bottle. Firstly, what you need to do is to place a mark at the half bottom of the bottle to ensure that the size of your plate is suitable. The marks should be a guideline for you to cut a perfect space to hold your plates. After placing the marks, draw a circle near to the tip of the bottle, but make sure that the circle is suitable according to the size of the bottle cap. Now, all you need to do is to cut based on the line that of which you have placed the marks earlier. Now, place the tip of the bottle into the hole that you have made, which is suitable to place your fork and spoon. However, if the size does not fit accordingly, try to use the super glue or even a cellophane tape to stick the tip of the bottle to the hole. Now, stick the super glue at the surface of the bottle cap to ensure that it would stick at the back of the surface of the mineral water bottle, to ensure that it would stabilize the water bottle when it is put at the normal position again. Now that everything is done, you may now put your fork and spoon after washing into the hole which has been made. And you can even put your plates to the according position of the plate holder.
When you're having an outdoor barbecue, or if you're having a meal inside your house, what you need is a place to wash the plates. To wash a plate, you must also need sponge and soap. With just using 2-liter water bottles, cotton eyes, and a marker pen, you can make yourself a sponge holder. First off, you need to place the marks at the middle part of the bottle using marker pen to separate the upper half and the bottom half of the bottle. Then, after placing the marks, you may cut the bottle into half, following the line to the marks that you have placed beforehand. Cut the unnecessary part of the bottle to make it even. Now bind both the upper half and the bottom half of the bottle using super glue and let it dry. The main function of the sponge holder is to dry up the sponge after you use it.
How was that, ladies and gentlemen? We do hope you enjoy our DIY creations. In conclusion, don't throw away your stuff first. Have a look at it. Maybe you can turn them into something very unique, something that can help you with your everyday task. That's all from us. Thank you and goodbye.